Well, good morning, folks. It's ATV here, and it is time for us to draw for the Torque Locker giveaway. She's early in the morning, so bear with me, but we want to get this done so we can get this video rocking, and I know everybody's anxious to find out. So what do we got going on here? We've gone into our comment section for our video on ATV that you had to comment on, and also we've got NOS ATVs here. So we've got the video link pumped in to our random generator. We're going to load up our comments, and the only stipulation to getting entered to win was that you had to drop a comment on both mine and NOS ATV's trailer video for this series, and pick a winner. There you go. Love your vids, boys. Keep it up. 2017 Can-Am Outlander 570 Max XT. We got Josh Rock. You're the winner for the Can-Am Torque Locker for your machine. Okay, we got your comment here. Love your vids. Keep it up. 2017 Can-Am Outlander 570 Max XT. Awesome. And then we go over to NOS ATVs right here. And I fished out his comment, so he is eligible for the win, and congratulations. Love the vid, NOS boss. I need bigger tires than 27s to ride in the snow that deep. The three-wheel drive kills speed. Keep up the good vids, bud. Well, you won't have to worry about that anymore, Josh. We'll get that Torque Locker out to you ASAP. Cheers, buddy. That's just killer, man. Huge thanks again to the folks at Torque Masters Industries and at Torque Locker for giving us the opportunity to give away one of these to our lucky viewers. Right on. You give us a private message here on YouTube or Facebook, and get your mailing address, and we'll get that shipped out to you ASAP. Cheers once again. Thanks everybody who participated in the draw, and thanks for all the support. You guys have a good one.
Well, that's how she goes. We had ourselves a little accident, folks, so our good friends Mainville's gonna have to go back and do a little repair. We got the lucky number 7 floorboards that kind of, well, who knows, maybe he was lucky, maybe that stopped him from getting tagged. But yeah, well, the old plastic ones would have just disintegrated. Yeah. You might have been eating it in the thigh, I don't know, but it is what it is.
I think it's dead. No, it's alright.
Okay, guys, let's get out of this. I hope you folks can see.
Don't hit me.
that buildup, man. Wow. Wow. What a shit ton of fun, man. Yeah, just about canceled this ride today, damn near.
It's almost been canceled twice.
It was looking pretty grim this morning. It was. But the sun is out now, man. Still pretty windy, but what the hell? Good to hear in the trees. Pretty sweet looking lineup, eh, boys? Man, we found some good drifts. We tested these tires. They work awesome. They definitely have a sporty, very light feel to them, which we're really digging. I am. Bike's sounding good. She's working good. We're gonna kick it up to high for the warmth. Do you remember how to get to the bridge?
Oh, we're a different way down? No, I don't remember, but it's gotta be that way.
I think it's that way. Nice. Yeah, we don't really have any brakes left. They're frozen up pretty solid. Oh, getting a little foggy. Oh, I can feel them hand warmers taking effect. I like it. I like it a lot. Pretty nice option to have. What a great day, man. The big hill is. Head over to that big hill. Yeah, might as well. Boys are digging the tires, eh? Everybody's loving the tires, boys. Oh yeah, she's deep. look. 4 deer. Five deer. Beautiful. That's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool, yeah.
Aha! Fuck, did I ever get some serious height there? Ooh. Way more momentum than I am used to. I'm enjoying it. Yes, I am. I wonder if my hands get cold, they shut down. I wonder if they get too hot, they shut off on their own.